Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect forex.com to NinjaTrader. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to do is go right here to Tools, Settings, and make sure that you enable right here Multi-Provider, where you click on Apply, OK, and then we do OK right here. Then after that, we go right here to Connections, Configure, and then right here, we scroll right here to forex.com. Then we double click on that. And then right now at credentials, we need to fill in right here our username and or password from myforex.com forex.com. We can also click right here on connect on startup. So every time when we start up NinjaTrader, you will automatically log in to forex.com. And then after that, we click here on apply. Then we do OK. And then normally when you're using your correct username and password, it will work. So this is exactly how you can connect forex.com to NinjaTrader. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.